You always learn from your mistakes. So don't think of this word negative as something bad and you did it poorly, and just think of it as ways to improve, and we can always, everybody can improve. Okay, so let's call feedback, just add another definition. Taking into account everything we just talked about. Oh, what am I doing? Constructive, I can't even spell today. Constructive criticism. Have you heard that term before? Constructive criticism. So it's constructive, it's helping you to improve, it's helping you to construct something, and critiquing it, yes? Critiquing it, but it being constructive or helpful. Okay? Constructive criticism is another way of saying feedback. And it takes into account all these other things that we've just said. Okay, so that's what we're going to focus on today. And we're going to do group work again. And I've got here 4 essays from previous years. The students' names are taken off, so we don't, because we've, data protection and all of that. So, but they're essays just like the ones you've been doing. And they're all marked up, and they've got numbers, marks and grades, and all sorts of strong points, areas for improvement, actions. That's what you guys have, don't you?
Yeah.
Same sort of cover sheet. So these are from previous years, and this is just another, it'll be an exercise to help you understand how this feedback works, okay? And help you improve your own essays in the future. So let me just scroll down to this here. I'll try to get that a little bit bigger. Now, what we're going to be doing is our mind maps. Now, I think this particular mind map is pretty detailed and a little confusing, I think. So, but it's just to be used as an example. You know what mind maps are, yes?
Yeah.
So, it's like spider diagram. I call it spider diagram. So it's just a central idea, and then legs coming off of it, and comments. But this one's quite complicated, so don't try to copy this one. It's just an example, okay? Okay, so the questions that, once you get the cover sheet and the essays here, think about what does the feedback say on your cover sheet and assignment? Not yours, but this one, the one I'm going to give you. Okay. Is it positive? Is it negative? What are the methods for improvement? And then specific steps, and these aren't necessarily on these sheets. Specific steps that this student should do to make these improvements. Like, I need to go look at a grammar book, or I need to check this definition in a dictionary, or this is specific steps, or I need to go to one-to-one tutorials. That's what this means here. So, in other words, what you can do in your groups, we'll put you in the groups again, is, and then at the end we're going to present these to each other. So here's the feedback. Okay, essay feedback. So here's the central idea, and then off of here, these are the positives. These are the negatives or areas for improvement. Okay. These are the, what does it say? Methods for improvement. These two actually are very similar. Methods for improvement and specific steps you can think of very similar. So methods for improvement. Okay, so here's an example. And then you can do whatever you like. You can make little lines coming off and diagrams if you want. Okay, so that's the example of the kind of thing that I'm looking for. Right, so groups then. 1, 2, 3. You get this person. You get a sheet of A3 paper. You get a pen to make a mind map. So you talk together about this person's feedback. Look at the essays. for the essay.
Just
And make a mind map, and then we'll be, as I said, presenting these, 1, 2, 3, to the group. Okay? Okay.
this is positive, right?
1, 2, 3, 4. You guys look at that one. I have actually another copy of the thing. And I'll get another copy because you guys are kind of a big group. So you'll understand what to do.
Just wait, yeah, just wait.
Here's another copy of the same.
Combine resources. This keyword is piano structure.
You guys understand?
Structure is solid. Affect point. Right. Repeat error with verb.
So strong point means the teacher support you, agree with you.
Would you like another copy of the same essay to look at? So that that's the same. It's the same one.
Same one.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Here's a copy of the same one, so you can, it's the same thing. Make it easier to look.
This improvement, right?
Here's a copy of the same essay, just to make it easier for you to look at. Yep.
Okay. Okay, you can write positive.
Drawback.
Yeah, but I want to
No need here. No need. Just.
Yeah. But I want to understand
Make
something.
good points. You can say, make good points. Main idea, including with the main idea. Good point. So you make break it down.
Don't need to underline. Underline.
We can underline or use italic. There is two options.
Two options.
Yeah.
But this teacher told us
Yeah,
it's better to tell it.
It's better to what?
Tell it. Is telling. Is telling or italic. Yes.
Yes, it has.
Okay, we can write.
Yeah.
You write. Or
maybe
This
stronger
is-
points.
this is positive. This is positive.
How's the temperature?
Is
Is temperature comfortable? Is it too cold?
Yeah, no, it's comfortable.
It's comfortable. Too cold. I know.
Too cold?
I know, because it's coming from my side. I'll just turn it off for a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't use negative.
They are negative.
Stronger points and improve.
I think we can write
Your
And it didn't get some drawback.
yeah. Here we write the method improve. Improve here.
Yeah.
Improve means negative.
No action. Action means I am.
Yeah, the actions are the
Okay.
improvements, yeah?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I think let's try to
Here.
So remember that you're going to be presenting these to the rest of the group.
Combine the resources.
You have about 12
Just
minutes.
combine the resources. Structure is solid. He means here. Wait. You also can see here. Here. Structure is solid. Efficient point to answer the question.
effective points. Effective points.
To answer the question.
Secondly, where is the negative?
Here, error for improve. This is negative.
Yeah, but this is
Okay, we finish it. Okay, next is
Negative.
Negative is
Error. This is negative.
oh yeah.
Repeat error with words.
after it's like this. Yeah. Logical general
Two more detail to add. You must add the necessary.
Check means action. Action we need to check.
Now, but phrase needs small check.
Okay, right.
Phrases means some word together as a phrase.
Introduction to not
Yes.
He adds more details, but it's not
Add
necessary.
details. Not only.
we can say
Just
more
add necessary.
Yeah.
Just add necessary.
Yes, more necessary detail.
He adds many details, but not useful.
Action is use less repeated refraction. Repeated. He means you use reference here and then use the same reference in the next paragraph. Repeated. So just action. Use less repeated action. Don't use repeated reference.
Correct. No. So what he needs to understand? Add more. First one. Correct. Use add more and reference. Use more references and this is correct. Use more sources.
This two points. This is one. This is one. First, this one.
Repeat.
重复的。
Reference not to repeat and follow.
Yeah.